how can you join Wombo Dream's Discord channel or Discord server? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to join the Discord channel for Wombo Dream, you just simply have to open the Wombo Dream application. And after opening the Wombo Dream application, you are gonna get this homepage where you will get this Discord icon into the top into your screen. Just simply tap to the Discord icon, and after that it is gonna open your Discord where you will get this invite link of Womboverse. Now you just simply have to tap into this accept invite button and you will be joined into the Discord server of Wombo Dreams, and this way you can very easily join the Wombo Dreams Discord channel. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.